Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the transformative world of Keto Diet Reload, a comprehensive guide that revisits the ketogenic lifestyle, enriched by personal experiences and scientific insights. Let's explore how this book can redefine your understanding of effective dieting. Keto Diet Reload isn't just about cutting carbs or eating fats, it's about understanding the role of quality foods and timing in achieving optimal health. The book breaks down misconceptions, guiding you to make dietary choices that turn your body into a fat-burning machine. The author, re-engaging with keto after significant life events, shares her journey towards rediscovering her health and vitality. From overcoming fertility challenges to transforming physical appearance, the insights offered are both personal and practical. Besides the core keto diet, the book integrates intermittent fasting and HIIT workouts, creating a comprehensive approach that maximizes fat loss and enhances metabolic health. Embracing the old wisdom of eating breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, and dinner like a pauper, the book reaffirms its relevance but adds a modern twist. It's not just about when you eat, but what you eat. Ensuring nutrient-dense foods in the right quantities at the right times can significantly influence how effectively your body functions overnight. By aligning the principles of the ketogenic diet with natural body rhythms, Keto Diet Reload advocates for a balanced approach that manages nutritional intake throughout the day, focusing on quality fats and proteins while minimizing carbs, especially before bedtime. Whether you're looking to shed weight, improve your metabolic health, or simply enhance your overall well-being, Keto Diet Reload offers a refreshing perspective backed by experience and research. Dive into this book and start your journey to a healthier you today. Keto Diet Reload is also available as an ebook on Amazon, making it easily accessible wherever you are. Grab your copy today and take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle.